Hi guys, this is Marlika from MyThreeSeedsofjoy, and I just wanted to come on and give you a brief demonstration on how I teach electronics in my home. Okay, we were working on LED or light emitting diodes, so I thought I would show you how, because I have different learners, how I present my lessons to them as far as the models that we use. So to start off, I have right here is an LED and a 3-volt battery. So when you close it up, it should, yeah, there we go. It should light up, okay? And that's lighting up because I have conductive tape going around. Okay, so this one is just an LED and a 3-volt battery. This is the start of a simple circuit. Okay, next I have an LED, a resistor, and a battery, a 3-volt battery. And if you notice, the LED got lighter because of the resistor restricted some of the current that was flowing through. So I'll bring the other one in, see if I can do these together. And you can see one is real dark color and one is lighter, or one is a brighter color than the other one. Okay, so this right here is a good starting point for people with young children, introducing circuits to them, because it's just copper tape, as I said, a few electronic components. Again, you can get LEDs in different colors. You can get resistors in different resistance strengths, and of course you still need to use a 3-volt battery, button battery. Okay, so like I said, this is a start if you don't have a lot of money to invest in basic electronic components. Okay, so if you do have the snap circuit kit, I think this one we have the snap circuit extreme, but I think this one is in the basic one that you buy. This is the same circuit here. We have the resistor, the LED, the batteries, and a switch. The switch on this one is when I close it, I close the switch. This is the switch open. So on this one, I can turn the switch on. Let me bring it up so you can see. Or I can turn it off. So this is another way to show the same circuit, but by using snap circuit. Okay, so then next we have a breadboard, and all of the components on here same as before. Get in the camera. Okay, so we have the batteries here. We have a push, I gotta get in the camera, a push button switch here, an LED, a resistor, and then we have a battery pack that's connected, let's see, over here on the end. Okay, so when I push this button, it's going to close when I push the button, it's going to close the circuit, which will allow the flow to go through. And you see it lit up. If I let go, the circuit is open. Circuit is closed. So this is done on a breadboard using jumper wires, using jumper wires, a switch, an LED, and a resistor. And you can switch out this resistor to different values, and it will change how bright the light changes, how bright the light is. So this is for an older child. Okay. So next we have, right here, we have a diagram up here of this same switch that we've done on each one of these models. We have an LED here. We have a resistor here. We have a jumper wire that's going over to the push button, connected to the negative, and then the negative is going to the rail of the negative on the board. Okay. Then over here we have the positive going to the positive. On the bottom of the board I do have this mixed up because I have, if you notice, it's a red line here, so my red should have went down there and my black, so I just have them reversed. So you just really have to pay attention when you're pay attention to what your rails say. Okay, so I'll bring it up closer for you to see. Okay, so then the next step is showing them what a schematic looks like. Now this is a schematic of the same circuit that we've been looking at. We have right here, we have the 3-volt battery, we have the LED, and we have the resistor, and we have the switch right here. So this is what it'll look like for your older children, if you really want to help them understand what a schematic looks like. So it's saying that the resistor is 100 ohms and it's a R1. It's saying that the LED that I'm using is red and it's 633. And then I'm using a switch here. And then it goes down here and show that I'm using a 3-volt battery. So anyway, this is just a short video how I wanted to show you how you can make different models of all of the different, you can make different models for your children and get an understanding across all of the different mediums or components that you have at home, that even if you have different learners like me, that they will get a chance to understand, because my family is very visual. They need hands-on things, and this is a way for me to present it to them in a way that I know that I'm reaching each one of my children. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.